Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to log in Instagram in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your Google Chrome and search for Instagram login. Now here you can see login Instagram. Press on it. Now you have to type here your phone number, username or email. And here you have to give your password. After typing all this, you have to press on login. So this is how you can log in your Instagram in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.